We're still factoring polynomials. A is not 1, so it's a little longer of a process, but it's still the same process we've been doing. So we take A times C, so 3 times 77, and we're going to get some big numbers, so that's why this takes a little longer. So 3 times 77 is 231. And we want two numbers that add or subtract to 32. So we're making a factor tree here. And you just start dividing. Doesn't divide by 2 because that's a decimal. 3 and 77. Well, yep, that's the one we just did. And then just keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 33. Oh man, it has to add or subtract to 32. So I'm going to keep going. 8, 9, 10. There we go. 11 and 21. So I said, there we go, because 11 plus 21 is 32. But I need it to be negative 32. So I have to make both of those numbers negative when I rewrite that. So negative 11x minus 32x. And then we bring down the first term and the last term. And we're taking out our common factors. So I'm going to group the first two, group the second two, and divide by the common factor. So for this first one, the only thing common is x. 3 and 11 do not divide by the same thing. And then 32 and 77. And again, just a reminder, if you're like, not sure, just use the function in Desmos. GCD. I wrote 32. I was like, it shouldn't be 1. Did you see what I did there? That should be a 21. My bad. Did you catch that? So when I subtract negative 11 minus 21, I get 32. I shouldn't have written 32 there. So 21 and 77 both have a factor of 7. So because this leading number is negative, we're going to divide by negative 7. We always want to remove that leading negative. Okay, so I take out an x, and I take out a negative 7, and I should get two factors that are completely the same. Let's see. I'm left with 3x minus 11, because those x's. Negative 21 divided by negative 7 is positive 3. I have an x. 77 divided by negative 7 is negative 11. Yay! This is how you know you're doing it right. You get two things that are the same. What we took out is our first factor. And then 3x minus 11 is our second factor. So if you want to go check your answer by multiplying, you can.